In this video, we are going to learn about techniques to be used to prepare for NEET PG Entrance Exam. I hope it will be useful for all of you. Qualifying the NEET PG exam in the first attempt is difficult, but it is not impossible. The secret to crack NEET PG exam lies beyond all standard tips and tricks. The biggest secret is to prepare in the manner in which you will be evaluated for the exam, and for this you need to understand the objective of the exam. Therefore, draw a well-crafted strategy depending on your strengths and weaknesses. This may vary from person to person. How much time should you spend a day or week to prepare for NEET PG preparation? Qualifying the NEET PG exam will be easy if you devote at least 7 to 9 hours daily without missing a day in between. This time is required to develop a habit of studying steadily and continuously. The reason for the downfall for most of the NEET aspirants is lack of consistency. Students fail to stick to the plan and deviate from their course of study after some time. Dedicated and consistent effort is required for every candidate aiming to clear the NEET PG exam. Here are a few tips for preparing efficiently for NEET PG. Go through the syllabus. The first step in NEET PG preparation is going through the NEET PG syllabus. Now, going through the syllabus does not mean reading the name of the topics. To complete this stage, you must know what topics and subtopics are included in the NEET PG. Also, you must know which topic has the most weightage and which has the least weightage. Know the paper pattern and marking scheme. NEET PG exam pattern and marking system are important factors that define your preparation strategy. Since the examination follows a negative marking system, you cannot give in to random guessing of answers. You need to stay calm while solving the NEET PG question paper and stay focused to avoid scoring negatives. Go through the question papers of previous years and sample papers. Now that you know the syllabus and exam pattern, it's time to understand what kind of questions are asked in NEET PG. Analyze NEET PG question papers of the previous years and try to find out what kind of asked from different topics. You can make a list of the topics that have more weightage and are covered in great depths in the question paper. This will help you prioritize topics. Start with basics. If you wish to get a good score in NEET PG, you have to go through everything, hence it can be difficult to understand what topics to cover first. Experts suggest starting with the basics and short subjects. These are comparatively easier subjects and will take up less time. By completing these subjects, you complete almost 60% of the syllabus. Prepare a timetable and stick to it. It is easy to lose track of time when you are at home. Preparing a timetable and following it religiously will help you solve this problem. Devote at least 8 hours in a day for NEET PG preparation. Make notes and highlight important information. When reading a topic, highlight the points that you feel are important and can be asked in the examination. This habit will help you save time during revision. You can quickly go through the points that are important and skip the rest. Regular revision. Allocate time for revision in your timetable. Candidates usually start with revision after they complete the entire syllabus, but this practice is not effective. Devote an hour for revision every day. This will keep the wheel moving and you can complete more revision cycles by the time you finish the syllabus. These are a few points that came to my mind. Though everyone has their own recipes for success, above are the few important things everyone can consider while studying the exam. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching it.